Hi spooky friends, my name is Solara. I want to show you my special Scalar Spooky2 setup. I got one unit here, then I got two very comfortable chairs, and then I got the other unit on the other side. So my room is specifically set up for Scalar. Yeah, I created a little bit of a restorative, relaxing space for me where I can retire and enjoy the Scalar treatment at the same time as reading a book. I sometimes program the microgen as well. I find it's a very good combination of having both. I got also the Rife machine, the generator X, and I got plasma, but I use it upstairs in a different kind of scenario. I think the biggest benefit for me regarding the Spooky2 Scalar is that it's quite easy to operate. So you can just use the units independently from any programs, computers and things like that, and all you do is just to press a few buttons and you create this beautiful standing energy field. Yeah, I recommend it.